Akiflow Honest Review 2025. Is this productivity app still worth it, or should you skip it? Let's find out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Akiflow is a task and calendar manager that promises to unify all your productivity tools in one place. Here's what I found out after using it. On the pro side, Akiflow integrates tasks, emails, and calendars seamlessly. The command bar is fast and time blocking is smooth. For people who juggle multiple tools, it saves real time. On the con side, the subscription price is higher than simpler task apps. The learning curve can feel steep for new users. Also, it doesn't have the same collaboration depth as apps like Asana or ClickUp. Overall, Akiflow is an excellent for individuals who want to control of their schedule and tasks in one clean interface. But if you're on a budget or need heavy team collaboration, you might want to look somewhere else. Now, you know the real pros and cons of Akiflow in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.